Master Data Management, or MDM, refers to the processes, governance, policies, standards, and tools that consistently define and manage the critical data of an organization. Let's log in and discover how you can use Celonis to improve your master data management. The MDM shown here is part of an exemplary large, medium-sized company. Let's call them eXp United. The volume of sales per year is around 1 billion, and the company has about 2,000 employees. Our smart Celonis algorithms uncover the real process in the raw system data. There is no need for lengthy interviews or reality assessment projects. Just push a button. Now, let's move on and see what Celonis really is about. We now see the Process Explorer, one of its core functionalities. The Process Explorer shows different activities which are part of the MDM process. Currently, you can see the most common process variant with all its activities. This leads to the total amount of cases. While we have almost 3 million master data processes in total, only 41% are currently shown. We can change to the next most common process variant by clicking here and see how the percentage increases to 43%. But these are only 2 of 8,300 variants. To keep track of all different paths, Celonis also provides the opportunity to highlight each process flow by clicking the play button. Let's look at the Process Explorer. We can see 195,000 cases in which a workflow was created, but not further specified. If we assume that each of these cases takes about 15 minutes to clarify and execute, this almost amounts to an annual workload of 7 employees that is wasted on this single step. But let's dig deeper into eXp United's data and look at the third variant. In 15,000 cases, the case's master data is incomplete. Now eXp United wants to know the impact on the overall delay in the process. No problem. If we click on the top left icon to switch to the throughput time, we see how much time each step takes. It seems the mismanagement of master data leads to a critical process delay. In 15,000 cases, it took even longer than 2 years to identify and correct the insufficient master data set, which clearly is a problem. While it's difficult, time-consuming, or even impossible to detect problems like this in your ERP system, Celonis can show the affected process and root causes in a matter of seconds. Process weaknesses hide in small details, but with the Process Explorer, you can see all of them at once. Just increase the percentage of cases to 100%, and you will see how your actual processes look like. The full view reveals all inefficiencies and the complexity in your as-is processes, where you lose time, money, margin, and customer satisfaction. Let's move on to a second worksheet. You can click on a specific case type and, for example, see the different processes of all of eXp United's MDM cases marked by a specific status. We can see that the most common variant among the aborted cases is also affected by the incomplete master data. If we add more variants, we discover that this problem seems to cause several other problems. We can now combine filters to dig deeper. For example, we can drill down into the selected process variant to track down a specific material class or finalization rate. eXp's management could now start from here and further analyze problems in the process. For drill downs, it is possible to switch to the case table and check all information in the source dataset at any time. Would you like to learn more about master data management or analyze a whole different process? Celonis offers a large and unmatched selection of ready-to-use analysis to make all of your processes, such as order-to-cash, production, or IT service management processes, much faster. Nearly every answer to questions about your company's processes is hidden in your data. Celonis is the key to visualize, understand, improve, and monitor them in real time and end-to-end. Let's change the way you run your processes forever.